Yeah, we can see that the market cap is up. Bitcoin's up, market cap will be up. We're up 10.2%. So what I do is when I look for a good crypto to trade, I go to the CoinGecko list of currencies, and I actually want to pay attention to the top 20. But what's important to me is like today we're looking at more like an intraday trade, so I'll look at the last 24 hours. But often I look at the last 7 days, and I look at how the markets are set up in the last 7 days. And what I'm looking for is like Cardano. Cardano's down 3.9% for the last 7 days, but it's up 6.5% for the day, which means that the markets are really rallied. That means the only way I'll be able to get in on this is on the pullbacks. Now, we spoke about the cost averaging approach. This is where it's great because now, if the markets are really rallied and we're expecting pullback, what we can do is we can start cost averaging so that if we have these dips, we can get in on the dips and then allow the market to move further. So what I'm going to look for right here is I'm going to look for the least moving pair for the day. And hopefully we'll be able to catch some move on this. Let me take a look at. I love Polkadot, Solana. I love that. I actually traded this at the beginning of the week on Tuesday. We got in at Polkadot, Solana, Avalanche is also great. Uniswap is also good, but you can see they've all really moved quite a bit right now. 8% so far in the last 24 hours. So this is a really challenging entry. Now we've got the CEO from XRP stating that we could see XRP actually go to $10. They've been screaming that for a long time. I don't know, but let's go take a look and see what we've got here with XRP. So I'm going to go to let's go to the chart, and I'm going to go to XRP right here. There's the pullback that I'm looking for right here. So that's as long as we're getting pullback, we can trade that. Now, what I do is, Kathy, I am scalper, swing trader, position trader. I do all of that. But the one thing that I always look at doing, anytime I look for a trade opportunities, I always look to see where the market's trading with inside cycles. So just like Elliott Wave, I've got my own sort of wave structure that I look at, very similar to the same concept as Elliott Wave. And so what I look for is I look for wave structure, and this goes for cryptos, forex, stocks. It doesn't really matter. And so what I noticed right here is that we did have a price breakout. And so I look at this and say, okay, this is the lowest point that we had before the market started moving off these lows right here. So I look for the 1.618 as a target to the upside. So I'm potentially looking for XOP to rally up to around about, it looks like 116 right here. Here's a target, 116. So I'm going to put this in there. 116 should be the target of the upside. Now, what I'm looking for right here is if I buy in on this, where am I going to get in at? Well, here's a good level right here as price comes back to retest that. But what I also do is I look at these internal swings, and I can see that there's been range-bound trading right here. In fact, a lot. If you take a look right here, here was bottoms, and here we had some tops. So if price comes back to retest this level, this is a good bounce to the upside. And what I can do is I can look for the range distance, which is about, it's going to give me about, let's look here, 94.58. So 94.58 going up here would get me up to about this level right here. Okay, around about there. So just before the 1.24, the 114 is where we can expect price to go to. So I want to mark that off right here. So this is where I'm expecting price to fulfill this range breakout. But first I'm going to get a pullback. Now this is where the cost averaging comes in, right? Because now if I look over here on the 50-minute chart, I'm even though right now is not the perfect entry point, but that's where cost averaging really helps, because if price is going to take off from here, then at least I can get something in there if it doesn't come down to this point right here. So right now, where price is trading right now, I want to start buying in on XOP.